Hello, class. Um, this is my discussion questions for week 4. Are there things still about the program or teaching that are puzzling to me and that I'm curious about? And these are my 5 answers rather. One, initially they had advisors, not advisors, but people who called you to help get you into the program. They were able to call like early in the morning, like 6 o'clock, or call after work. So I think it would be a good idea if the advisors or the credentialing people were able to call at that time as well. They have been normally calling while I'm in school, and I can't take a call at 9 o'clock in the morning, but I can talk at like 6 or 7 or after 5. So that would be one suggestion, that they can call when someone's not in class. Sorry to complain about that. Also, another concern that I have, I don't know if it's just the wording. It's probably the wording, like credentials versus packets versus, I know that the email wording is confusing to me. It's probably just me, but that is confusing. It would be good if there was just like one email here, do this, and then, call this person. There probably is. Maybe I missed it. I don't know. Number 3, it would be good to have a group chat or like some sort of portal area for students, not to necessarily do group work with. I didn't see one. There might be one. Sometimes you want to ask someone who's going through the same thing for clarification, and you can't. You can't ask the professor, but sometimes you don't want to ask when you're working on it. And so I thought it would be a good idea to have like some sort of group chat for that particular class, and then once it's done, the class is done, then the chat will go away. Number 4, one idea is to have I don't know how to say this, longer waiting times between the time the actual physical program times out a student. It seems to be like, maybe it's 10 minutes or 5 minutes, but like you're working, you have to go away to for a second, do laundry or cook or something. And then by the time you've come back, it's logged you out. And then you have to do the verification and then get the code and put it back in. It's just a lot of stuff every time you want to log back in. So I would think the timing out would be better if it was longer. And then finally, I'm just concerned about myself with the pacing of the program. I know the first one class is usually the beginning class, and I'm still trying to navigate everything, and so I know it's just going to be accelerated and faster and faster. So I'm hoping I'll be able to keep up with the pace. So that's a concern I have. And this is more than 5, but one of the things that is puzzling to me about teaching, and this is, everyone talks in all these acronyms as if you know what they are. I am just so glad I learned what TPEs are, because I had a question for a lead teacher and she answered something about a TPE and I was like, hadn't a clue. But she was talking so fast I couldn't answer it. So when I found out what they were, I ran back to her and told her, I know what a TPE is, and I know, what it means and what you were saying that day. So that's interesting to me, and it's just an observation about teaching that teachers talk in acronyms as if everybody knows what the acronym is, and that's puzzling to me. I'm still excited about the journey, and those were my 5 ideas about National. And thanks for everyone for watching this, and it's been great being in class with you. Thanks, bye-bye.